Honestly, 2 years later, I am still shocked at how well this works. Like, it is no wonder why I haven't bought any other liquid lip color since trying this out. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to properly apply LIPSENSE. When a lot of people see this product, they think it applies exactly the same as any other liquid lipstick and that it works just the same as any other liquid lipstick, and that is totally not true. This is unlike any other liquid lipstick I've ever used in the past, but it is by far the best one I've ever used. The formula is actually patented as well, so that means no other company can duplicate the exact same formula, and this is the only company where they created a formula that molecularly bonds to the lips. They also have a really wide range of colors to choose from. I own 14 or 15 different shades, but they actually have 90 different colors to choose from, which is insane. But that's why I haven't felt the need to reach for any other lipstick on the market, because this one has basically every single shade you could ever imagine. So before I start, it's important to know that when you use LIPSENSE, you have to use one of their glosses on top of the lip color. This acts as a moisturizing top coat that seals in the lip color, making it last anywhere from 4 to 18 hours. This is seriously no joke. Like, when I use LIPSENSE, I can go an entire day without having to touch up my lip color. You do, however, have to apply the gloss multiple times throughout the day, but this is not really a big deal because you don't need a mirror for it. And secondly, it takes 2 seconds to put on. They have 14 different glosses, so anywhere from a pink sparkly gloss to silver sparkles to matte to ultra glossy. You can literally change up any LIPSENSE color that you like. It's vegan, cruelty-free, transfer-proof, waterproof, kiss-proof, smudge-proof, basically everything proof. But let's get right into the tutorial because I feel like I could go on for hours and hours talking about this product and just how good it is. For this video, I'm going to be applying the shade Napa, and this is what it looks like. It's kind of a purpley red kind of color with a little bit of a sheen to it. I wanted to choose something that was a little more bold so that you could clearly see how it applies. It also has a really nice doe foot applicator, so this is what it looks like. I love that it's a small applicator. I hate it when lip products have really big applicators. To properly apply this, you have to do 3 really thin coats, and you don't want to go back and forth with your applicator like you would a normal liquid lipstick. This you have to apply one direction. Make sure your lips are dry and you have absolutely no product on them. I'm not going to be able to talk much when I'm applying the lipstick because I cannot let my top lip and bottom lip touch until all 3 coats are done and the gloss is on top. Just to prove to you that this truly works, I'm now going to do a napkin test to see if any of the lip color comes off. So here I have just a plain white napkin. I'm gonna fold it and see what happens. Nothing, except for a little bit of the gloss, which always comes off, but no red color at all. I am like literally rubbing as hard as I can right now. Nothing. Do you see that? Look at this. Nothing. I still just get shocked every time I use it. I'm like, how is this even possible? I remember this one time last year, I decided to go back and use a regular long-lasting lipstick because I was like, you know what? I need to give other brands a shot. I can't keep using LipSense every day of my life. So I went back, I used it, it started to smudge within a few hours, and I was like, nope, not happening, never again. I'm sticking with LipSense. And that's where I stand today. I love it. It's also very moisturizing on your lips. A lot of people ask me if, because it is so long lasting, will it dry out their lips like a lot of other products do? And definitely not. This actually has a very pillow-like plush feeling to it, which is something you wouldn't really expect from a product like this, but it is really awesome and unique. The cool thing about this is because you apply 3 layers, you can actually apply 3 different LipSense shades and create your own custom shade. Depending on the order that you apply it, if you had 3 different LipSense shades, you can actually create up to 27 different lipstick shades, which is crazy. To take this product off though, it is a chore if you don't have the remover. There has been some people that have bought the product from me and thought that they could do without the remover. They just thought it would wear off throughout the day, and they came back to me days later begging me for the remover because they literally couldn't get it off their lips. So I would highly recommend getting a remover for it. So with the remover, you want to apply it, let it sit, and then you can wipe it off. Sometimes with dark or really bright red colors, you need to apply it more than once to fully remove it, but it always does come off. And if you use LipSense for the first time, you'll probably notice, like I did, an exfoliation process. So this is where the LipSense actually peels off within the first few hours, and this is just a process that's getting rid of all the wax buildup and dry skin that's on your lips. And then once the exfoliation process is done and you reapply the lipstick, it will last as long as it claims, from 4 to 18 hours, but it has to go through that process first. I am a distributor because I truly have fallen in love with the product, obviously. So if you are interested, all you have to do is go to my website. I'm going to link it down below, and go to my LipSense tab and then just click whatever color you want, and then don't forget to get a gloss and a remover as well. I can't imagine any other lipstick taking its place in terms of variety, quality, and performance. It's just unbeatable. So that is it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.